For more on this make or break moment for the Mendendez brothers, we welcome Lauren Johnson-Norris, Orange County criminal defense attorney. Lauren, we appreciate you joining us. A big move for the Mendendez brothers. Breaking news yesterday, the resentencing hearing was expected to last 2 days. Are you surprised that the judge came to a decision on Tuesday?
Honestly, I'm not surprised. While the hearing was set for 2 days, the case has been thoroughly reviewed over the past year, and the judge had the benefit of a very detailed risk assessment, the lengthy legal arguments, and a strong record going in. So once the brothers' statements were made and all the boxes were checked, the judge was ready to issue a ruling that really aligns with California's evolving approach to youthful offenders and rehabilitation.
All right, break down for us, Lauren, what this new path toward freedom means for the brothers, and does that risk assessment, which you just brought up, does that play into this, that report?
Well, the resentencing to 50 years to life makes Lyle and Eric eligible for parole immediately. It doesn't mean that they're walking out of prison tomorrow, but it does mean that their case has moved to a new phase, and the parole board will evaluate whether they are safe to reenter society. The risk assessment report was critical. It's a comprehensive analysis of their behavior in prison, all of their rehabilitative efforts, psychological evaluations, and whether they pose a danger if released. So in this case, the report likely supported their eligibility.
Okay, we saw both brothers giving emotional statements in court. Lyle apologized and then addressed a lot of that criticism that we have seen from DA Hochman. Do you think that made a big difference, or was the judge's mind already made up? And will these type of apologies work with the parole board down the road?
Well, Lyle's apology was powerful. It was direct. I do think that it mattered, even if the judge had reviewed most of the evidence already. Judges and parole boards want to see true accountability. When someone takes ownership over their actions without making excuses, it shows rehabilitation. And for the parole board, this type of sincerity and remorse are huge factors. So if the brothers continue on their path at the upcoming hearing, it absolutely could make the difference.
All right, it is not over. We will continue to follow developing story that has everyone watching. Lauren Johnson-Norris, thank you for the insight.